हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस क्लास। आज के क्लास में हम लोग करेंगे दिस पार्ट 9 शेल्फ। ओके, सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल शेल्फ। यू कैन सी पार्ट नंबर 9। ओके, green color shelf. Okay, so we will do the bottom part as well as this shelf part. Let us see the measurement of this part 9, object number 9, racks shelf. The bottom part is the filled part, you can see here like this, and this is my rack part. Okay, let us do one by one. First I will do this bottom part, 7 feet by 2 feet 6 inches. I will go to blender, I will go to top view, I will go to wireframe, I will go to this one cursor, and I will place my cursor here. So I will place my cursor here so that whatever object I will draw, it will start from this place. Okay, so I will go to add curve, I will add a rectangle like this. Rectangle, what was the measurement? 7 feet by 2 feet 6 inches. This one is 7 feet, symbol, enter. This one is 2 feet 6 inches, 2 feet 6, hold the shift and give inches command, enter. Okay, so 84 by 30. So this is our 84 by 30, 7 feet 2 feet 6 inches. Okay, this has to be from the front view, but I have done it in the top view. Okay, so I go to 3D here, I keep it as poly. Okay, click outside, press tab, go to object, go to convert, go to mesh. What will be the height of this? The extrude is 1 feet 6 inches, that is 12 plus 6, 18. Okay, so I press tab, I press A, I press F, I press E, I type 18, enter, press tab. Okay, so now see, it has come like this. What I have to do in the top view, I have to type R, rotate x-axis 90 degree, enter. Okay, this has to be from the front view like this. See, off this snap and place it here. I go to the top view, I have to place from two places, press G. Okay, as this is a backside rack, okay, so I am not placing exactly in any point or corner. Okay, so randomly I am placing it. Okay, press 1 and attach it to the ground like this. Okay, so this one it doesn't matter to snap somewhere. Okay, so I have just roughly placed it here. Okay, so this one, attach it to the wall, go to the top view, wireframe, okay, and connect it to this wall like this. Okay, done. Now see, perspective view, this is the bottom part. Okay, in the image you can see this is the bottom part. Now comes the rack part. Okay, so rack measurement, go and see this is drawn from the front view. So what I do, this portion I will directly draw in the front view now. Okay, so I go to front view, okay, front view, wireframe on. Okay, my cursor is here. So here, instead of creating a rectangle, okay, I will draw from point, add curve, point, 3D, poly. Okay, so click somewhere outside, press A. So it goes to the top. How much? 3 feet 8 inches. 3 feet 8 inches means 3 into 12, 36. 36 plus 8, 44. Okay, so E, Z, 44, enter. Again to the right side it will be 7 feet. 7 feet means 7 into 12, 84. So E, X, 84, enter. Then it comes to the bottom. How much? 3 feet 8 inches. So 36, 8, 44. So E, Y minus 44. Sorry, E, Z minus 44, enter. Okay, so now I am not taking into account this center line. Okay, so I have only done the border. Okay, and the 2-inch thickness I will do it by sweep command or solidify command. So I am not repeating it with this 2-inch thickness again. Okay, so here what I can do, I press tab, I go to object, convert, I convert it into a mesh. Then I will press tab, I will go to edge mode. Okay, so what is the distance between these two? 10 inches. Okay, so what I will do, select this one, shift D, Z axis -10, enter. This is one copy. Okay, then I will need another copy, shift D, Z axis -10, enter. I will need another copy, shift D, Z -10, enter. Now press here and see, it is like this. Now press A, I have selected everything. I will extrude by how much? Extrude is 1 feet 6 inches. I press E. Okay, E and Y axis. Okay, how much? 1 feet 6 inches means 1 feet 12, 12 plus 6, 18. Press 18, enter. Okay, now go to shaded mode and see, it looks like this. Come out of tab. Now go to add modifier, add a solidify. How much? It will be complex and it will be 2 inches. 2 inches, enter. Now see, you got the rack. Okay, so now where I have to place this? At this end point. Okay, so just move it and place it nearby. Snap should be off. Okay, first I place it nearby that. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so now I will go to snap, press G and click here. See now this has been, the offset has been added outside. Okay, so you can see a gap over here. Okay, what I will do, I will hold the shift, select both, I move it a little bit here. Okay, I go to this one. Okay, select this face. Okay, select this face. Now I will just hold the G command and try to snap it first here. Again G command, snap it here. Okay, we are doing a conceptual design now. Okay, not an engineering design. Okay, so we can assume some portions roughly and do it. Okay, so now see, I have racks here, 1, 2, 3, 3 vertical subdivisions. Okay, so now here I have, I think, not written the subdivisions. Just let us calculate it. This is 7 feet. 7 feet means 84. Okay, it is divided into how many parts? See the image. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's divided into 4 parts. So 84 divided by 4 is 21. Okay, so 21, 21, 21, 21. So what I will do, go to Blender, press tab, go to edge mode, select this edge. Okay, I think it's the backside one. Go to wireframe. Okay, I think this one is our edge. Where is the edge? Sorry, I selected the wrong object. Tab, select this edge. Okay, yeah, I think this is the edge. So now I come to front view. Okay, now I will copy it by how much? 21 inches to the right. Shift D, X, 21, enter. Shift D, X, 21, enter. Shift D, X, 21, enter. Off the snap here. Now come out of tab menu. Now see, shaded mode. Okay, that edges were not extruded. Okay, so edge mode, select this 3, shift, shift, how much we have to extrude? 1 feet 6, that is 18. E, that is which axis? Y, and 18. Enter. Okay, so now press tab, click outside. Okay, this is my rack. Okay, see now here we have not done the back side. Okay, the back side is open. Okay, so we can create a measurement and just do the back side part. Okay, that I will tell it separately. Okay, so this is our part 9 shelf. Okay, so do this. In the next part we will continue. Thank you.